In this video, you will learn how to add videos to a YouTube playlist. There are two options. Option 1. Find more videos on YouTube. For example, Freedom Beach. Click on the video. Click on Save. And click on the playlist to add the video to that playlist. Option 2. Click on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And go to YouTube Studio. Click on Playlists. Select a playlist. Click on the three dots to see more options. And click on Add Videos. You can now search on YouTube to find more videos to add to your playlist. For example, Lamai Beach by Drone. Click on the video and click on Add Videos. Congratulations! You have now added more videos to your playlist on YouTube.